back to my channel, people. It's a little bit chilly outside. Something. Anyway, today we're gonna be reacting to a track from Boy Boy, straight out of Trinidad. This track is called No Talk. So without further ado, no long talk, let's get to it. Okay, let's get it.
Alright, tonight is the night of our meeting. Everyone here was chosen because they're capable of carrying out the mission. Mission, no talk. Boss is on his way.
One thing I love the accent, you know. Yeah, look up all the trainees stuff. I won't lie, like the visuals on top of this is proper still, you know, it's like, it's real good. I won't lie, like everything's clear and it's like well put together, you know, movie type of thing still.
Easy no one, cycle. El Jamaica. Dollar cars, the blue of Jamaica. Watch it. So we do the grind, pull up on the scene. Why? Shots fly out, boy get blind. Easy no man, so we do it. And yeah, you like now, yes, no we do it. You're black. Thematic, them no stick, watch it.
I won't lie, G. Yo, that whole part just sounds real nice, you know. You could tell that the rhythm's about to get hype, bro. Yo, I like the mask too. Like the mask is sick.
Easy no man, cycle. El Jamaica. Dollar cars, the blue of Jamaica. Watch it. So we do the grind, pull up on the scene. Why? Shot fly out, boy get blind. Easy no man, so we do it. And yeah, you like now, yes, now we do it. You're black. Thematic, them no stick, watch it.
I take them not stick, brother.
Some boy juggling him, everybody knows me have a funny and that everybody knows. Telling a big friend, we know what to pay the dog, we know friend. If I run up in it.
Holy, yo, that flow. The fuck this guy get this flow from?
Pull up on the scene. Why? Shot fly out, boy get blind. Easy no man, so we do it. And yeah, you like now, yes, now we do it. You're black. Thematic, them no stick, watch it. Some boy juggling him, everybody knows me have a funny and that everybody knows. Telling a
We no big friend.
big friend, we know what to pay the dog, we know friend. If I run up in the fence, send two bad girl fish circle lemons, cause we know them love smoke and drink with them friends. And me never panic when the man take a speed, tell them we know that means the end of the real car trouble, make I tell them me now me squeeze out of the icky hate and I'm spread. Some more than you can.
Yo, I just had to, my G. I just had to stop it. You know, I just had to put it on pause, my guy. Holy, what the fuck, dog? Yo, I swear to God, dog. Doesn't he sound like Black Rhino? Like on a real? Like, just listen to him, his vibes and the way how he changed up his flow and everything. It gives me a kind of Black Rhino vibes, you know, like 2007, you know, 2008, like 2008, you know. Yeah, I won't lie.
Them on your man, my mouth in the bus stick when me catch them boy no boy when me use one I say easy no man. When the man tip them out a boy just strip and smoke like I tell them me no broke house and she just start squeeze and them boy head back to the line. Head back to line, and we no complain. When me catch you lick a fucker like me pan in here. Black people president.
Boy, say when I complain, I make me catch a little fucker liming pan the lane. So you know what that mean, fam? Don't get caught liming straight away nowhere from.
I'm M16 in my right, last squeeze and trigger them what in it. Watch it. Push everything apart. Back in nothing up on chase, give me the car. Can we believe everything shot up? Black people let me know like the dark much. We get them out again, get them in front of a black people, tell them we run the road. Raise up in my tickets, say
Yo, this track is so fucking hard. Like, this is the first time I'm listening to this track, and I didn't really expect it. Like, I know he goes hard still, because I know, like, I know a lot of his songs still, but this one is just... Because I know a couple of his tracks, you know, I know, like, Die Die and Adrenaline, but, like, this one is hard. And the way how he's, like, you know, swapping flows and shit... Proper. Good job, my G. Big up yourself.